Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, on va faire un revue sur toutes les pièces de monnaie canadiennes. Ici, j'en ai beaucoup de pièces de monnaie et je veux juste faire un petit revue sur toutes les valeurs de chaque pièce. Ici, j'en ai combien? Quatre pièces ici. Chacun, c'est 5 cents. 5 cents, 5 cents, 5 cents. Ici, 5 cents, 5 cents. Ça, c'est 25 cents. 2 dollars, 1 dollar. 5 cents, 5 cents. Je pense que ça, c'est 25 aussi. Et 10. J'en ai seulement de 10 cents. So what we are going to try to do here is we're going to try to make different amounts. So par exemple, pour faire 10 cents ici, on peut faire 10 cents deux fois. Comme ça. Il y a deux façons. Une façon, c'est 5. Et 5. Et l'autre façon, c'est juste de prendre ça. C'est seulement 10 cents. So you only need one here. So if you are trying to make 10 cents, you can make it a couple ways. So 10 cents, you can make it with just one dime, 10 cents. And if you notice here, camera won't focus, but if you notice here, it says 10 on the bottom in the corner. So 10 cents. Et ici, if you want to make 10 cents encore, tu peux utiliser 5 cents et 5 cents, 2, because 5 plus 5 égale 10. So you have 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if you want to make 10 cents, you can use 2 nickels or you can use 1 dime. Now, for example, si vous voulez faire 15 cents, il y a aussi deux façons. Il y a plusieurs, mais on va juste regarder deux façons maintenant. Pour faire 15 cents, you could do 5, 10, 15. So you could use 3 nickels. Because 5 plus 5 plus 5 égale 15, 5, 10, 15. Or, tu peux utiliser 10 et 5. Parce que 10 et 5 égale 15 aussi. So you can see, boys and girls, there's many ways that you can make 15 cents. I know you only see 3 coins here and you only see 2 coins here, but what you're really looking at, boys and girls, is the little number in the corner there. It says 5 plus 5 plus 5. And this says 10 and this says 5. So you're adding these little numbers together, these little numbers on the coin. You're not looking at the coin. I know if I ask you, how many coins do you have? Combien? You would say 1, 2, 3. But when you're saying how much money do you have, combien d'argent, quel est le total, you would say 5 plus 5 plus 5 égale 15. Ou tu peux dire 10 plus 5 égale 15. So there's many ways of making 15 aussi. There's many ways of making 10 aussi. Et finalement, pour faire 25 cents, tu peux utiliser seulement une pièce de monnaie 25 cents, quarter, ou tu peux utiliser 3 pièces ici. C'est 10 plus 10 plus 5 égale 25 cents. So you can use either 1 quarter, which if you look here, the number says 25. So 25 and 25 match. So you could just use 1 coin of 25 cents or 1 quarter to represent 25 cents. Or you can use a dime, and a nickel. Because you're looking here, this is 10. The little number says 10. And the little number here says 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 10 plus 10, c'est 20. Plus 5, c'est 25. So you know that you've got 25 at the top here. So what I want you to do, boys and girls, for today's math activity is I want you to make 10 cents, 15 cents, and 25 cents. 10 cents, 15 cents, et 25 cents, comme ça. Deux façons, so two ways of making each of those numbers. Et c'est tout, les amis. So I'll post it in the student portfolios. You're trying to make 10 cents, 15 cents, and 25 cents two ways, just like I've shown here. Do the best that you can. If you can only go up to 10 or 15, that's fine. If you want to challenge yourself, you can try numéro 25. Ok, les amis, merci et à demain.